Thank you for tuning into this video. If you want to take your dungy basement floor and turn it from this into this, stay tuned for how to use a two-part epoxy on the floor. We've got some Rust-Oleum Epoxy Shield, garage floor stuff. Probably should have it this way so you can see it. And we need to do some prep work to this floor. So this is what we're putting down for our flooring here at Holt Growers for our packaging area inside. You can see behind me on the floor we've got some leftover paint that just kind of fell on the floor. That's going to be fine because it's sticking well. But what we do need to do is prep our floor. Now, just a disclaimer here, I am not a paid spokesperson by Rust-Oleum. This is just a product I've used before. You can use any type of floor paint, two-part epoxy coating, and it's all going to work pretty much the same. I'm just happy to use Rust-Oleum because I've used it before. So they come with instructions, and the biggest key to your success with a product like this is prepping this floor. What we're going to do is we're going to scrub this floor. We've got a floor scrubber. We're going to scrub it. Stay tuned for that. We're going to cut to a time lapse while we get the floor going. You definitely want this well mixed with the hardener, okay? So make sure it's well mixed. You're gonna mix it for about 2 minutes. It mixes relatively easily, but make sure you scrape the sides, make sure you get the bottom, and get all of that hardener in there. And then what you're gonna wanna do is wait that wait period before you start brushing your edges. So this is pretty thick, pretty mixed up. So we're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. And while we're doing that, we're gonna do some other things. So you'll notice I have gloves on. That's very important. You don't wanna get this on your hands. Okay. So what you're gonna wanna do, like the instructions say, you're gonna get a nap roller. The roller, you're going to want to get rid of any lint on the roller. And the easiest way I know how to do that is to take some tape around my hand, like so. Okay, this is just run-of-the-mill clear packing tape. And just get all that lint off. So I'm not sure how well you can see that in the video, but you're gonna wanna get all that lint off. The more lint you can get off of your roller, the better, the easier it is, okay? Also, this stuff it says it's low odor, but I still like having a window open, some type of ventilation for fresh air. It just seems to work better. So get all of that lint off. The more lint you can get off, the better finish you're gonna have. So be mindful of that. This is all during our 30 minutes while we're waiting for this to set up. The other part of that is, so it looks like that's pretty good. All right, so put that in a box for trash. All right. I'm using this. It's got a longer handle on it. You can also get one that's got a really long handle, like a broom handle. That works too. But you're again gonna wanna make sure there's no dirt, lint, debris on your roller handle or anything like that. No hair, no dust bunnies. Make sure it's as clean as you can get it. Okay, make sure your roller is ready to go. Now, our roller is ready to go, so we're gonna set that over here. Couple of things here. You're gonna want some brushes. So we've got 2 different size brushes here. We're gonna see which one works best. Again, any run-of-the-mill paintbrush is gonna work for you. If you wanna reuse it, make sure you get a good, decent one that's not gonna lose bristles in the product, so you get a nice clean finish, okay? Now, these are some things you're gonna wanna set up. If you're using this product in a space where you wanna be mindful of your edges, make sure you tape them off. I'll see you back in about 20 minutes, it looks like at my timer, so stay tuned. So what you're gonna wanna do, take a brush, okay, and just start going right around the edges. Like I said, it's okay to go up on the wall in our case because this is gonna be a basement, and we wanna make sure we get the water protection out of it. You wanna just kind of coat it real well. Okay, come out a little bit, okay. You don't want really any cooling, but at the same time, you want to make sure everything is getting coated. You do want to work relatively quickly because you only have so long for your pot life, unlike 1-part epoxy and regular paint. So get in those corners and just keep working it. Now there's a space here with this old drain. I think this was like a well or something at one point in time. I want to definitely go around it because I'm not taking it out, and make sure I take effort in getting every aspect of it. There's not really a good place between the old line and the wall, so I'm going to make sure to get that with my brush as I'm trimming. Move our can out of the way here so you can see that. And again, just make sure everything is good. Alright, so now we have our trim done, our pot is ready. What we're going to do is simply pour it on and roll it out. Now remember, get that lint off of your roller because you want to make sure it's a lint-free roller. So you're just going to push it around and roll it out. Since we already did the trim and the trim is still wet, we can go right up to that trim. We want to keep that wet edge. Okay? Be generous with the product. You want a thicker coat versus a thinner coat. So just kind of move it around and let that product level out and fill in all the little fits and pockets in there. And again, you want to be pretty generous with this product. Get a nice good coat. Alright? And then just gonna add some more. Cut off to the side. On your rougher areas, you're going to use more product than on your lighter areas, smoother areas. And that's okay. You want to make sure there's enough product to fill in those divots and get good coverage. So move it around. Any high spots you want to kind of level out with your roller. That's why having a nice long handle is best. I've heard people use a short standard handle. It doesn't seem to work well for me. You can go right up against that wet edge. You light and just kind of smooth it out. And as you can see, the product goes on really easy. It does go fast, so you got to work fast because that 2-hour pot light is going to go by pretty quick. So it's looking good.